The entire family has been living under the belief that Roop Buasa was the person responsible for Abhi's kidnapping. Fear and suspicion have spread throughout the house, and everyone has been pointing fingers at her. But the truth is far more shocking than anyone could have imagined. The story takes a dramatic turn when it is revealed that Amira is the real mastermind behind the entire kidnapping mystery. She carefully planned every step of her scheme and created a trap so convincing that everyone believed Roop Buasa was guilty. While the family was busy blaming an innocent woman, the real culprit was hiding in plain sight. The situation becomes even more intense when Amira kidnaps Roop Buasa herself. Trapped and unable to escape, Roop Buasa finally comes face to face with the person who has been secretly controlling everything. In that tense moment, she realizes that Amira is the one responsible for all the pain, fear, and chaos. When confronted, Amira proudly confesses her crimes. She admits that she kidnapped Abhi and manipulated everyone around her. With complete confidence, she reveals that she managed to fool the entire family and make them suspect the wrong person. Amira mocks everyone for failing to see her true face. She believes her plan was perfect and that nobody could ever expose her secrets. Hearing this confession leaves Roop Buasa completely stunned. She realizes she was framed from the very beginning and used as a pawn in Amira's dangerous game. Meanwhile, Rimjim refuses to stop searching for the truth. Guided by her instincts, she continues gathering clues and connecting the missing pieces. Sameer and Mohini Buasa stand beside her as they desperately search for both Abhi and Roop Buasa. As the mystery unfolds, evidence slowly begins pointing toward Amira. One revelation after another exposes the lies she carefully built around herself. Determined to save their loved ones, Rimjim, Sameer, and Mohini Buasa finally discover the location where Amira has been hiding her captives. When they reach the hideout, they are left speechless by what they find. The truth is finally standing right in front of them. Roop Buasa is discovered, and it becomes clear that she was innocent all along. Every accusation made against her was part of Amira's wicked plan. The family is shocked when Amira openly admits everything. The woman they trusted has betrayed them in the most heartbreaking way possible. Her confession destroys every lie she has been hiding behind. Filled with anger and heartbreak, Rimjim confronts Amira. She accuses her of destroying the family's peace, kidnapping Abhi, and framing an innocent person. Rimjim declares that Amira's game is finally over and that justice will now prevail. Mohini Buasa is equally furious. She reminds Amira of the love, trust, and respect the family gave her. Instead of valuing those relationships, Amira chose betrayal, manipulation, and selfish ambition. Mohini makes it clear that Amira will not escape the consequences of her actions. The family stands united as Amira's lies begin to crumble around her. In an emotional moment, Roop Buasa is finally proven innocent. The family realizes how badly they misjudged her and how easily they were deceived. Regret fills their hearts as they come to terms with the truth. However, the drama is far from over. Questions still remain about whether Amira acted alone or if someone else was secretly helping her from the shadows. Hidden secrets continue to surface, and new mysteries threaten to shake the family once again. As Amira's truth is exposed, the battle between truth and deception reaches its climax. Relationships are tested, emotions run high, and shocking revelations leave everyone stunned. The upcoming storyline promises intense confrontations, emotional moments, and unexpected twists. With Amira's dark secrets finally uncovered, the family must decide whether justice will truly be served or whether another surprise is waiting just around the corner.